Hey everybody, Kevin here, WQ9F. Thanks for joining me here on WQ9F Ham Radio. Today we are out here at Koshkonong State Wildlife Area. This is Parks on the Air Park Kilo 9851. This is one of the newer parks here in southeast Wisconsin, which they have added a lot of them. So if you are in the, Wisconsin, Illinois area, and you're looking for some new parks, look on the Parks on the Air website at POTA.app, and you can definitely find some. Now, I am parked up here in a parking area, and I am on Koshkonong Mounds Road. There's a parking area for the wildlife area here, and there's trails, but they are not managed trails. There's just trails that have been worn into the wildlife area. So if you do want to come out here and do some wildlife viewing, make sure it is not during hunting season, since they do allow hunting here. And if it is during hunting season and you're coming out here to POTA, maybe wear some bright colors. Or have a blaze orange car, like I do. Anyways, I'm here to do a quick Parks on the Air activation. I did activate this park once already, but I'm on my way to activate a couple other parks, and this is kind of along the way. There are a couple more parks that were added in Wisconsin that I have not been to. So I'm going to go kind of hang out and do those today and kind of make a rove out of it. So check out, be sure to watch for my next videos. But I'm going to go ahead and set up on 40-meter sideband since it's about 9:30 in the morning still. Hopefully get a little bit still on 40 meters. Definitely get some locals like I did in the last video. For those of you in the cold weather area, what's your go-to activation method in the winter? Because as you know, mine is activating here from the mobile. Especially today when I'm trying to do a rove where I'd like to hit up a couple parks. Try to get them done fairly quick. Spend no more than like a half an hour per park. But what's your go-to activation method, especially if you're in the cold weather like this? It's about 30, 35, 36 degrees here, so it's not too bad today. But, it's January, it's going to get colder, and I'd still like to activate some parks. So put a comment down below and let me know. I also have a buy me a coffee, and I'll put a link in the description down below. If you'd like to support the channel that way, it'd be much appreciated, and leave a small donation. All help for the channel is always appreciated. But for now, let's go ahead and get this park activated. Looking forward to coming back to this park in the summertime. I'm sure it'll be really nice. It's not super close though, unfortunately. I think I maybe put about 90 miles on the car on the way here this morning, so, well, this will be like a one-day type of go out and hit all these parks again type of thing. Alrighty, so I've got my Icom 7200 set up here. I'm on 40-meter single sideband, 7234. There is this real loud ticking noise here. Pretty much across the band, so that'll be fun. We've got the Bioenno 15 amp hour battery. I've got my laptop down here with fast log entry. And if you, it's a real cool piece of software I use. Not really software, it's an app. So I've got a pretty cool app that I use on my phone. It's this one right here. It's called Easy QTH Locator. But this one here will show you what grid square you're in, as well as your latitude, longitude, and it'll give you your local time and the UTC time. Super helpful to find whatever grid square you're in, especially if you move around a lot, operate a lot of parks or different states like I do. I use this all the time. All right, so I've been listening for a couple minutes here. I had asked if the frequency was clear. I haven't heard anything, so hopefully it's clear. Now to see if we can make a couple contacts on 40. CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air. Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot, calling CQ Parks on the Air, Park Kilo 9851.
Kilo 9, India Charlie Papa.
Kilo 9, India Charlie Papa. Nice 5x9 here into Wisconsin today.
Roger, I bet you 5-5 right now. 5-5 Indiana.
Roger, roger. Glad to get a good signal here. Got a lot of noise here at the park, but thanks for the contact, and hopefully we'll work you again soon. 73.
73, thank you.
Thank you. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air.
November 0, Mike Alpha Oscar.
November 0, Mike Alpha Oscar, 5x7, 5-7 to Wisconsin.
Thank you very much, Kevin. I got you 5-5 into Southwest Minnesota. Mike November, this is N0MAO from Discord, over.
Yeah, roger, roger. I'm trying to hit up a bunch of parks today, so keep an eye out for the Discord, and hopefully we can work you again a couple times.
It sounds like a lot of fun. Thank you very much. We'll do that. Thanks, Kevin. See you later.
Sounds good, 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air. Park to park, go ahead. Yeah, copy. Was that 1004? Yeah, roger, roger. You are 5x5, 5-5 into Kilo 9851. Yeah, thank you, and have fun and stay safe. 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air.
Kilo Echo 8 for Romeo Hotel Whiskey.
Kilo Echo 8, Romeo Hotel Whiskey, 5x9 into Wisconsin today.
Roger, roger, Kevin. Hey, I saw you on Discord there. I got you about a 5-5 here into Oxford, Michigan, about 40 miles north of Detroit, QSO.
Yeah, roger, roger. Thanks for picking me up from Discord. I appreciate it. And thanks for the contact here at the park. Trying to hit up a bunch of parks today, so glad to put you in the log here.
All right, have fun, Kevin. 73.
Yeah, thank you, and 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air.
Kilo Bravo 9, Sierra Alpha Radio.
Kilo Bravo 9, Sierra Alpha Radio. You are 5x5, 5-5, Wisconsin.
Okay, 5-5 Wisconsin, and you're 9851.
Yeah, roger, roger. Right here out by Lake Koshkonong.
All right, copy that there. Yeah, you are a 5858 here at Appleton.
Roger, roger. Thanks for the contact today. I appreciate it. And I'm going to try to stop at a few more parks, so hopefully we can work you again.
Fantastic. Have a good day. Have fun.
Thank you, 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air.
Kilo 8, Mike Hotel.
Kilo 8, Mike Hotel. Nice signal today here into south central Wisconsin. We had a nice 5-9 here at Koshkonong Wildlife Area.
QSL, thank you for the park. Appreciate it. You're 5 and 6, 56 in Michigan.
Roger, roger. 5-6 in Michigan. Thanks for the contact today. I appreciate it, and hopefully we can work you again soon. 73.
73. Good luck.
Thank you. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air.
Whiskey India 9 Kilo, WI 9K.
WI 9K, Whiskey India 9 Kilo, 5x7, 5x7 into Wisconsin today.
QSL, you're 5x5, 5x5 here in Illinois. Thank you much.
Roger, roger. Thanks for the contact today, and have a great day. 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air.
Kilo Whiskey 4, Fox Mike.
There we are. Kilo Whiskey 4, Fox Mike. You're up to about a 5x3 in Wisconsin, QSL.
Yeah, QSL, yeah, the man's tough. I knew you were in there. I couldn't tell if you were calling me wrong. I'll give you a 5-3 right back. 53, QSL, Virginia. Victor Alpha.
Yeah, roger, roger. I got it. 5-3 Virginia. Thanks for hunting today in 73.
73, thanks for renewing. Happy New Year.
Thanks, you as well. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air. CQ, Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot, calling CQ Parks on the air, Park Kilo 9851. So that's 8 in the log. Well, I got 8 in the log. Just a few more. I'm glad we were able to get Kilo Whiskey 4 Fox Mike. He was real right there at the noise, but I'm glad he came up.
November, United 4, November. November United 4 November.
Copy. November United 4 November. You are 5 by 5, 5-5, Wisconsin.
Thank you very much, and good morning. You're also 55 here in Kentucky. QSL Kevin, the name is Dave. Over.
Roger, Roger, Dave. Tough band this morning, but glad to put you in the log here, and hopefully we can work again real soon.
Roger. Our band's been up and down here on 40 and 20. Well, 73s, and we'll talk to you later from Kentucky.
Roger, have a good New Year, and 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air.
Alpha, Foxtrot 4, Ocean Delta.
Roger, Roger, Alpha, Foxtrot 4, Ocean Delta. You are 4 by 4, 4 by 4, Wisconsin. Roger, 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 copy, copy. Thanks for the contact, 73. All right, we got him. This band condition is real up and down because barely had him, and then he came up to, you know, a pretty solid copy. But that gave us number 10, thankfully. So let's try for one more, and then we're gonna move on to the next park.
Alpha, Bravo 8, Lima, Lima.
Alpha Bravo 8, Lima, Lima, 5 by 8, 5-8 into Wisconsin today.
Yeah, you're 5'9" into Michigan, Mike, India.
Roger, Roger, Michigan. Thanks for hunting today. I appreciate it. Tough band here on 40 today, but glad to work you on 73.
Hey, you're pretty loud over here in Michigan, so 73, Happy New Year.
Thank you. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, Parks on the air. Band conditions are really up and down here on 40 today, so I'm glad I was able to get that to work. Two stations in particular, Kilo Whiskey 4, Fox Mike, and Alpha Fox 4, Oscar Delta. They were both, I barely hear them, and then, you know, not more than a minute later, they were definitely readable signal. But that whatever that ticking noise is on 40, I mean, my car's turned off. I don't, you know, there is power lines behind me here, but it was real bad. I think I noted, I think I remembered that from the last time, but I don't know. Either way, park's activated, 11 in the log, 1 park to park, so pretty happy with that. I'm gonna pack up and head to the next park though. Until next time, all, 73.